Wood decorative pieces have been cherished for centuries for their unique charm and timeless appeal. Whether carved into intricate patterns or shaped into smooth, elegant designs, these wooden treasures add warmth, character, and sophistication to any environment. The growing interest in handcrafted, sustainable, and artisanal goods has made wood decorations a lucrative avenue for skilled artisans looking to turn their craft into a profitable business. While woodworking might traditionally be associated with furniture and functional objects, the decorative aspect of wood offers an exciting opportunity to tap into a high-demand market that values artistry, creativity, and originality. One of the keys to profiting from wood decorative pieces is to understand the market and what consumers are seeking. The appeal of handcrafted wood decorations lies not just in their aesthetic value, but also in the story behind them. Many people are drawn to unique, handmade items because they offer a personal touch and a connection to the artisan. This desire for authenticity and individuality is reflected in the growing trend of consumers choosing artisanal pieces over mass-produced alternatives. As a woodworker, creating one-of-a-kind or limited-edition decorative items can allow you to differentiate yourself from competitors, commanding higher prices for your craftsmanship and originality. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood decorative pieces and wood furniture ideas to make money as a woodworker. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A key factor in profiting from wood decorative pieces is to cultivate your skills and develop a signature style. While basic woodworking techniques are essential, mastering more advanced methods, such as carving, inlaying, and shaping, will set your work apart. Wood carving, for example, can transform a simple block of wood into a masterpiece, adding texture and personality to a decorative piece. Inlay techniques, where different types of wood are combined to create intricate patterns, can elevate the quality of your work and make it highly desirable. Mastering these advanced skills allows you to create pieces that are not only visually stunning, but also technically impressive. Consumers who recognize the level of craftsmanship involved in your work are more likely to pay a premium for these intricate, one-of-a-kind items. Once you have developed your skills, the next step is to identify your target market. Wood decorative pieces can appeal to a wide range of customers, from homeowners seeking to enhance their interior design to collectors of unique, handcrafted art. Identifying which market niche you want to serve is essential for guiding your product design and marketing strategy. For example, if you focus on creating pieces for high-end interior designers or luxury real estate developers, you can price your items accordingly, positioning them as exclusive, premium offerings. Alternatively, if your target audience includes environmentally conscious consumers who prioritize sustainability, you can emphasize your use of reclaimed wood or eco-friendly finishes, attracting customers willing to pay more for sustainably made products. In addition to knowing your target audience, it is crucial to build a strong brand identity. When it comes to decorative wood items, a brand is much more than just a logo or a name. It is the essence of what you offer and how you communicate that value to your customers. A strong brand can differentiate your work in a crowded market and give you a distinct identity. Your brand should reflect the values that resonate with your target audience, whether it's an emphasis on traditional craftsmanship, modern designs, or sustainability. Once your brand is established, it will become easier to attract the right customers and build a loyal following. Word of mouth can also be a powerful marketing tool in the world of handcrafted wood items. Satisfied customers who connect with your brand are likely to recommend your work to others, which can lead to repeat business and increased sales. Selling wood decorative pieces requires a well-thought-out approach to pricing and financial management. While it might be tempting to price your products based solely on the cost of materials and time spent crafting them, there are other factors to consider. For example, You must account for overhead costs such as tools, workshop space, utilities, and other business expenses. Additionally, pricing should reflect the value of your skill and craftsmanship. Handmade wood decorations are often seen as premium products, and pricing them too low can signal a lack of quality. On the other hand, pricing them too high may alienate potential customers. A good approach is to conduct market research to understand what similar items are selling for and to ensure that your prices reflect the quality and uniqueness of your work. Another way to profit from wood decorative pieces is to take advantage of various sales channels. Selling through established online marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon Handmade can help you reach a large audience of potential buyers. These platforms cater specifically to those seeking unique, handmade, and artisanal items. Setting up your own website or online shop can also be an effective way to sell directly to consumers. A well-designed website allows you to showcase your products in a professional manner, offering customers a seamless shopping experience. It's important to invest in high-quality photography to showcase your products in the best light possible. Buyers are more likely to purchase items that they can see clearly, with close-up images that highlight the details and craftsmanship. In addition to online sales, consider tapping into local markets or collaborating with other businesses. Participating in craft fairs, art shows, or farmers markets can be a great way to get your work in front of potential customers and build a local following. By networking with other artisans and small business owners, you can expand your reach and collaborate on joint promotions. For example, you could partner with a local furniture maker or home decor shop to display your wood decorations alongside their products. This can help you reach customers who may not have come across your work otherwise. Additionally, interior designers and architects often seek unique decorative pieces to complement their projects, providing an excellent opportunity to collaborate with professionals in the design industry. Leveraging social media is another powerful tool for profiting from wood decorative pieces. Platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are ideal for showcasing your work and engaging with potential customers. Instagram, in particular, is highly visual, making it a great platform for artists and makers to highlight their creations. By posting regularly and sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses into your creative process, you can build a following and attract new customers. Social media also offers opportunities for collaborations and partnerships with influencers or other creators who can help promote your work. Use hashtags relevant to your niche, engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, and share customer reviews and testimonials to build credibility. Another key aspect of profiting from wood decorative pieces is scaling your business. While initially, you may be able to manage production and sales on your own, as demand grows, you may need to consider expanding your operations. One option is to hire additional help, such as assistants or apprentices, to handle production or administrative tasks. This can free up your time to focus on more creative aspects of the business, such as designing new pieces and developing marketing strategies. Additionally, you may want to invest in more advanced equipment that can help streamline production and increase output. This might include specialized tools for carving or shaping, or machinery that allows for more efficient cutting and finishing. Scaling your business effectively requires careful planning and investment, but it can significantly increase your revenue potential. Sustainability is becoming an increasingly important factor in consumer purchasing decisions, as more buyers prioritize environmentally friendly and ethically made products. Offering wood decorative pieces that use reclaimed or responsibly sourced materials can be a major selling point. Reclaimed wood, for example, can be sourced from old barns, fences, or furniture, giving new life to materials that would otherwise be discarded. By emphasizing your commitment to sustainability, you can attract environmentally conscious consumers who are willing to pay a premium for products that align with their values. Additionally, using non-toxic finishes and paints can help appeal to those seeking natural, healthy products for their homes. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood decorative pieces and wood furniture ideas to make money as a woodworker. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.